She sneezed, and just like that, something in her back snapped, a disc in her spine burst, and a nerve got stuck between two bones. She was suddenly frozen, unable to move. Even after 3 surgeries, the pain didn't go away. For 2 long years, she was stuck in bed, relying on super strong painkillers that made her see things that weren't there. It was a nightmare. Then finally, doctors came up with a bold solution. They placed a tiny plastic cage around her spine to stop the nerve from being squeezed, and just 1 week later, she was walking again. From that day on, she made sure to never let a sneeze catch her off guard.